Ocoee, Florida is this post office that we're visiting. It's an old building, but not as old as some of them that we've visited, and so far it looks okay. The grass needs to be cut, but it's nothing horrible. The flags are okay. They've sprayed the weeds, which that's what I would have done also. No idea what that says or means. E pluribus unum. But no idea what that one means. So far it looks nice. Hoping to see like a plaque or something. Well, wasn't expecting this. But there was a post office in Georgia that we went to that had this also. I don't recall the name of that particular office. But no one has opened this up in a long time. I mean, a long, long time. And that baby is huge. Huge. There's his children, or her children. Oh my gosh. I mean, man, huge spiders in here. And of course, I like the old boxes. I just love them. Thank you. In 1998, poster 7. And nobody's opened this up in a long time either, it looks like. But we're not gonna go in there and bother them. But nice little post office. It's got some cleaning to do. And see, we've seen a whole lot worse, a whole lot better also. And of course, this is Mitch. Please subscribe, it'll help me out a lot. All we're doing is going around post office to see how good and bad they are. And some are amazing, some are beautiful. This one's okay, just some spiders inside. Just a little cleanup here and there. Please subscribe, everyone. Thanks.